Alright, so let's quickly compare the top specs of the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro with that of the Armor 30 Pro. In a separate video, I will compare the Armor 30 Pro with the Armor 33 Pro because the two 5G rugged phones are very similar. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Which do you prefer? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.